Assalamu alaikum. Are you struggling to scale your Meta and Google ads because of messy data and poor lead quality? Many businesses find themselves losing performance because their tracking and attribution systems are broken or outdated. Without accurate data, you are essentially flying blind, making it impossible to know which ads are actually driving revenue. This is where most media buying roles fail. They focus only on the front end without fixing the technical foundation. I specialize in rebuilding your tracking and attribution from the ground up to ensure every dollar is accounted for. By leveraging tools like Google Tag Manager, GA4, and the Meta Conversion API, we create a reliable data ecosystem. We implement server-side tracking to bypass iOS restrictions and ad blockers, achieving 99% data accuracy. Our goal isn't just more leads, it's better leads that actually convert into high-value customers for your business. We start with a deep dive audit of your existing Meta and Google campaigns to identify where performance is being lost. Then we restructure your accounts for maximum efficiency, clearer testing, and predictable scaling. We provide strategic direction for creative testing and audience segmentation to keep your campaigns fresh and competitive. With our custom attribution setup, you will finally see the full picture of how your funnel truly performs. You will receive clear reporting that explains not just the numbers, but the why behind every change we make. This technical precision allows you to scale your ad spend with total confidence, knowing your ROI is real. We turn raw, messy data into clear, actionable insights that drive long-term business growth. With over 5 years of experience and 1500 successful projects, I engineer data precision for your success. Whether it's Meta, Google, or even light TikTok strategy, we ensure your growth is consistent across all platforms. Don't let the 2026 data loss challenges hold you back. Prepare your business for the modern era of tracking now. Remember, measure, optimize, and scale. That is the framework for consistent lead generation success. We also provide full technical documentation and walkthroughs so your team stays informed every step of the way. Experience the benefit of high quality leads and a tracking system that actually works for your business. Alhamdulillah, we have helped businesses generate millions in revenue through these exact strategies. If you need this kind of help, please message me on WhatsApp or book a call via the link in the description. All my contact information is pinned in the comments below. I look forward to working with you. Jazakallah khair.